Persfield member uzizwa kanjani namhlanje?
Yazi namhlanje ngizizwa ngijabulile ukuthi our team, our players they make us ukuthi sijabule yabona. Sijabule because labafana bashaya ubaba bethu. The Orlando Pirates is a big team in South Africa.
Definitely, yes.
And funa ukuthi manje bakhombisa ukuthi ushaya ubaba wethu ujwayela kabi wena. So kill my father. Uyabona be previous ubaChina uthi hey you 20 years ago you kill our father, now you prevent about Pirates.
So nina nenzi justice for Orlando Pirates.
The justice for Orlando Pirates. Uyabona namanje la ngibhale inland. Our leaders need to understand good G20. For them understand what you want. Isanders uyenza umsebenzi namhlanje ku G20. So you are fighting is a soldier of South Africa. iPirates ithema ibona ukuthi hayi ngeke ilunge lapha ehlathini ngcono ngishila abantwana bami. Iyaphuma. Ayisiyaya kubo. Thina singamasoja songena ehlathini. Yibona even ipilot yendiza. Manje yini Isanders uyarasa. Isanders inode map ukuthi bayoyapi. Bayohle bafana baparashu bathi hayi go to Congo, go to what way anyway. Ukuthi bayoyapi. So guys, I want to thank you very much for our team.
Yes.
I know ukuthi ama coach wonke mafika eSouth Africa siwakhona ama plumper, but let's give the chance.
Let's give also a chance.
Yeah, because never uzowenzani. Uzomxosha uzothi aye. So ngicela ukuthi mina manje Sundowns play nice football. But the fresh amakhona amaningi man.
Definitely. So man of the match yakho ukuthi sivale.
Ngathi man of the match is a difficult. I like all the players.
All the players play well.
Ngithanda wonke ama players so I give all them because 3 goals assist beza yonke lento. Never play alone until ukore goal. So today I see all the players by supporters. I give them all.
Thank you so much, member. Thank you so much. God bless you.
Enjoy your weekend, guys.
Thank you so much.
Now I'm 10.
Thank you so much, member.